What's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, the weekend has made it. Today is going to be a cold day in the area that I stay in. It's going to be 5 degrees, people, and we get more freezing weather coming after this for the next several days and more snow. So if you're going to be tied down and you're going to be in for the whole weekend, then this might be the watch face you might want to play on your wrist. This one is definitely nice. Now we're going to be giving away some of these watch faces as well, so make sure you comment on all the videos, people, to have an opportunity to win. Now I'm only giving away watch faces for the US right now. I'm going to hit the developer up and see if I can get some more for other countries. Cool? All right, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick this review off. Now the name of the developer that got down on this one, he goes by the name of XGear24. He does awesome work on watch faces. You got to check him out. And the name of the watch face is called City Sky Face. I like the look. I like the detailing of the watch face. And yes, I know you want to know, in the always on mode, you're going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down quite a bit, and you'll still be able to see your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, once you turn the watch face on, you got to see this in person. He did a really good job with the detailing of the building so far as the city is concerned. You get the sun, it's about to go into night, turning in, you know, the moon will come out, and also you get your digital time down at the bottom. You get your step info, battery life. Also right here, you're going to get miles walked around. So I thought this was definitely a good look. Now, once that sun goes around so far, it's going to turn into the moon, and you'll start seeing night and stars. I like how this transition, same thing for when it goes from night to day, it's going to transition into the sun. And depending on the day, it's going to depend on where the sun is, where the moon is. And this, I'm telling you, is definitely worth a download. At the end of the day, it is all about you. So make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.